Today we're out at Innovative Karting, and a friend of mine from Texas is going to be coming into town for the race tomorrow afternoon. And this gentleman right here from Northwest Towing has brought his race vehicle over. Can you tell us a little bit about your transport that you brought?
It's a little small for the job, but it might be able to do it. As long as we're good on the axles.
As long as we're good on the axles. Do you think it's a little bit overweighted?
Not sure. It could be, arguably.
You know, my friend from Texas, I haven't seen him in I think 2 years. He hasn't been at our track. He will be there tomorrow. His name is Richard Cordova, and he will be racing this gem of a go-kart. So I think that North Valley Towing is safe taking this vehicle to Innovative Karting. You can see that it has been tied down quite sufficiently, and I think they're gonna have to put a bigger seat in this go-kart. But anyways, this go-kart will be on the track tomorrow at 5 p.m. for PKRA's race number 3. Well, tomorrow is race number 3 at PKRA, and it's in the, I believe it's still the clockwise configuration, and it is a short track. So we're gonna have a great turnout of the LO206 Masters, and as you can see, Brian is unloading Rich Cordova's race vehicle for the weekend. And I'll see you guys at the races.